Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to Drawing Flags with Tevain Hunter, the go-to place for all things art and design. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of flag drawing, and we've got a special one on my canvas, the Greek flag. So grab your pencils and let's embark on this artistic journey together. But before I jump into the step-by-step process, let's talk about the hook, the secret sauce to grabbing your audience's attention. The key is to create a hook that resonates with the broad audience and piques their curiosity. In this case, we want to appeal to both art enthusiasts and those curious about Greek culture. So let's craft a compelling hook. Ever wonder how to bring the spirit of Greece onto your sketchpad? Stay tuned because today we are unlocking the secrets to drawing the mesmerizing Greek flag, blending art and culture in one vibrant masterpiece. Now, let's break down the steps to draw the Greek flag. But don't worry, if you're a beginner, we've got you covered. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we begin, make sure you have your sheet of paper, a set of colored pencils or markers, and your creative spirit ready to roll. Step 2. Draw the cross. Using a ruler, sketch a horizontal line across the paper. This will be the base for the blue and white stripes of the Greek flag. Now, draw a vertical line intersecting the horizontal one at the center, creating a cross. Step 3. Add the cross. Next, draw a small square at the intersection of the lines and color it blue. Extend 4 arms from this square to form the Greek cross, representing the Eastern Orthodox Church, a significant part of Greek culture. Step 4. Color the stripes. Color the upper part of the flag blue, representing the sky. Then, leave the lower part white, symbolizing the purity of the Greek struggle for independence. Step 5. Finishing touches. Refine your lines, add any necessary details, and voila! You've just brought the Greek flag to life. And there you have it, fellow artists. Drawing the Greek flag is not only a creative endeavor, but also a journey into the rich cultural tapestry of Greece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more artistic adventures, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my next creative escapade. Thanks for joining me today at Drawing Flags with Tevain Hunter, where art and culture collide. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and happy drawing.